Yeah, sunny. I gotta adjust to the sunshine. Look what we got. What's up, guy?
What's up?
So we have been working away today, and I am going to be taking a break because we're going to be taking a break for Sunday and Monday on our days off. And today is going to be old CTS-V day. So you guys just saw the video, we put this thing up, and today we're going to put it on the dyno, see where the baseline is. I have a dyno sheet inside the car that said it made 576 and 534. So we're just going to compare, see where the car is at, and then we have some fun parts here. Excuse me. So new parts are here for the camshaft, because why else would you own a V8 and not do a camshaft? So I got all those parts in the back seat ready to go. So we're gonna have to pull these out, but if I can get in here. BTR camshaft stage 3. Now I don't think this is gonna add a whole ton of power, but it's gonna add the sound we want, right?
Yeah.
I don't know, maybe we'll add power.
We're gonna make it lope.
Yep, chop chop. But I was gonna get injectors for it because it definitely is gonna need injectors, and I held back because I have bigger plans with this thing that you guys are gonna find out soon. So I figured it didn't make sense to buy 1050 injectors, 1000cc injectors, and just to buy others later on. So we're gonna end up buying probably 1650s for this thing. That should give you a good idea of where we're going. It's gonna be party land. So I'm gonna fire old girl up. Cold start for the boys. God, this thing is filthy. Black car problems. Cleaned it this morning.
White car problems too.
You can't even tell over there, guy. Oh yeah. You ready for America? Yeah. Never gets old.
You gotta leave that thing here.
Just need the cam in it. Then it would sound a lot better. Has like a little baby chop. So we're gonna get the dyno room opened up, get this thing strapped on, and we're gonna start doing pulls. You ready?
Ready.
I gotta let this thing warm up too.
All right.
He almost take me out. Jesus. Almost took you out.
Yeah.
It almost sounded like it shot him out.
Yeah, that's why I was looking at the ramp to make sure.
What do you say it's gonna make?
What'd you say it dynoed at?
It made 576 before. I don't know what dyno it was. I'm gonna say, I think my last one made 530. I'm gonna say 515.
Yeah, because your other ones had some stuff to it.
Yeah.
Headers and all that.
What's your guesstimate?
Man.
I know you don't even know the cars.
Well, it is supercharged too, so let's go 5.
Has an
flat
intake,
even.
Smaller pulley, and free flow delete. Exhaust delete. But I don't know. Well, I guess we'll see. We gotta figure out how to strap it down. sure how good the lighting is going to be in here because it's kind of dark and light, but we got the car on the dyno, as you can see, ready to go, all strapped down. I'm going to go ahead and get the RPMs on the dyno to match the car, and we're going to do 3 total pulls because, as you guys are seeing, it needs to take 3 pulls. Car kind of adapts to being on the dyno and the load that it puts it on. We are going to be doing 4th gear pull in this. Thanks for Josh for hooking that up. Josh is going to be your recordee today. So I'm gonna hand off the camera to him. Oh man, it is bright out there. And like I said, first off, I gotta get this thing synced up and then we can do the first pull. We'll look at the graph and we have 2 more and we'll see where it makes. Whatever it makes, it makes. You're at 500, I'm at 515. That's a pretty close one. So, all right guys, let's see what happens. but it still rode the tire at the beginning. I almost have to be gentle into it.
Yeah, I was gonna ask you because it sounded like it was slipping a little bit.
It definitely spun there, but geez, I didn't save my thing here. 512 and 568 torque. That's quite a bit of torque. I'm impressed. Very much so impressed. disregard. I fucked it up. Alright, well, I'm trying to put this to where I can save it, and I didn't do that the last time. So, let me do that now. There's our graph. Supercharger car, so obviously up top, it's gonna keep gaining power, and I will save this. I'm curious to see what the air fuel is. So I do have the wideband in the car right now. No boost hooked up, but we can see wideband where we're at. Apparently not. Apparently it's not reading. Wideband is not turned on. That was my rookie build. So we got one more.
Right now? You gonna fix the wideband?
All right, boys, you're in here with me now. 512, 568 torque conversion on the 512 for Dyno Jet puts us at 576, and this car made 574 before. So then again, we're off 2 horsepower. Probably gonna pick up some here. I'm gonna try to lug it in fork so that we don't hit the tire and spin. So let's go ahead, put it in manual mode here so it stays in the gear, and let's do this again. Like I said, I'm gonna try to lug it so I can be nice to it. Yeah, definitely rode the tire there. Almost worse. Need some Dyno sauce. But 517, 602 torque. So that is some impressive power. Definitely spun. Spun almost worse that time. Dang it. So
It spun a lot more on that one.
it did. Lugging it almost did not help.
You could hear it spin quite a bit.
So I think I need to roll into it nice and soft. I don't know. We'll end it out here for you guys. 517, 602 torque. Pretty good. Dyno Jet, that puts us right at 580-ish. I don't know, I'll take a look here and see what it made. Again, guys, I know I've said this a million times, but Dyno Jet, the only difference we're doing here is just adding 13% to the number. There's nothing else going on. So, just pulling it up. I'm not taking the time to scale the graph out. 582 and 586 torque there. Curious about the wideband. Take a look at what the wideband said. Yeah, I know. You're pissed at me. So, definitely going... it's not that bad. It's 12.0 up top. Not bad. It was riding out 11.5, and then it got rich. Looks like it went to 11.2, and then right at the end, that's probably right when I hit the limiter, to be honest, guys. 11.6, 11.9. Pretty spot on, though. Whoever tuned it did a good job. Happy of it. The car freaking rips. I don't even want to go back through it, but I want to learn how to tune it. And 2, I need some chop in our life. So, well, I'm going to take a photo of this graph, save this, and then for me, I'm going to do one more pull. If it makes a lot more power or more power, I'll show you guys, but I'm going to just try to roll into it nicer, because if you just hit the gas, it's just spinning. Need some Dyno sauce. That's what we need.
Smell a little hot.
Yeah, I'm sure. It's still got cats in the exhaust. Just the primaries are still there, so the secondaries are gone. So I'm sure, I know the exhaust is probably freaking 2 million degrees on this thing.
Yeah.
So, all right, well, I'm gonna try one more, see what happens. All right, so I did one more pull as I told you guys I was going to. It made a, what, 2 more horsepower, 1 more, 516 and 562 torque. I'm gonna go with that's probably a more realistic number of torque because we're not spinning as much. It did spin a tiny bit at the beginning, but there's the graph. That's what it made. 516 is probably like 585 Dyno Jet, so within like 10 horsepower, guys, of the Dyno Jet. Air fuel looks good. One up top again. but I'm just trying to pull up Dyno Jet for you. Yeah, 580 right there is what it shows it made. So within 6 horsepower of the other dyno, I'll take it. You know, we are a different elevation than when it got tuned. This is a different area. In the end, I'm happy with it. So we're gonna get this thing unloaded, and then the fun is gonna begin figuring out how to work on an LS. I've never worked on one, so it's gonna be fun. I worked on my last one doing headers, but not a cam. So I think it's gonna be very interesting. Well, only one way to do it. That's to find out.
Living life up in the fast lane. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane. And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground, pedal to the ground. Living life up in the fast lane. Life, though you lemons, you just put them in Coronas, Coronas, Coronas. I've been working, I need that advance with the bonus, the bonus, the bonus. Ain't no thoughts about tomorrow, I'm just living in the moment, the moment, the moment. Full tank of gas and 200 on the dash, bitch, I'm zoning, I'm zoning, I'm zoning. Fast lane, living life up in the fast lane. Hey. Living life up in the fast lane. And I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down, I ain't slowing down. Living life up in the fast lane. Pedal to the